What's up, guys? We're back working on the Camaro today. I brought my little mechanics with me today. So far we've been able to get the transmission cooler mounted, lines ran. Got the power steering pump on. Got the alternator down there. You may not be able to see it, it's on. We had to clean that bracket up. And now I had to order a new throttle bracket. I didn't have one for this fast intake. We'll put it on, hook the throttle cable up. See what else we get done today. Got the throttle cable on, bracket mounted. Tensioner and the idler pulley, it says it's out for delivery, so hopefully I can get it on today and then we can figure out the belt length. Almost forgot to tell you, got the rear end back yesterday or day before yesterday. So get it in for long, that way we can get the dry shaft length. Well, I just went and checked the mail. My idler and tensioner just came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick them on right quick. I didn't get a whole lot done yesterday, Saturday. First thing I'm gonna do is hook the brakes up. I gotta figure out all the brake lines where I've done the ABS delete. May have to run back to the parts store, get some brake lines and fittings and stuff. I'm not sure yet. I got a few I can make something work, so we'll see. Look at that, boys. I'm recruited the fastest man in town to help me work on this thing. I start putting fenders on it, bumper, headlights. We was able to get the fenders on, the bumper on. James and Ed got my brake lines all figured out for me. I got to get one more fitting so I can hook my proportioning valve up. I was able to get the harness on for the Holly, get that pretty much laid out, O2 sensors on. I got to figure out, I think I'm gonna just buy new headlights. Them old ones don't look too good. Like I said, I gotta get some loom, clean up all the wiring, which there's not much really to clean up other than my fans. After I get that done, we're gonna move on to the rear end. Well, I guess we're gonna call it a night right there, and I'll keep y'all updated. We're getting there, won't be long.